Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make your own butter at home with just 3 ingredients. So if you are interested, please keep watching. This could also help when you run out of butter. You can just easily jump into this and get going. So let's get started. Let me show you step by step how to achieve this. All you need to achieve this is just some powdered milk. You pour that into your blender and then add in some coconut oil. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Please check that out. Add some water. And some salt. Blend that smoothly in your blender. When you are okay with the smoothness, take it out of the blender and empty into a bowl and use your hand mixer to give it that extra smoothness. But this is actually optional. You can skip this if the smoothness is okay for you. At this time, your butter should be looking like this. You can see how fluffy, how smooth it is. Now you're going to get a clean airtight container and empty the contents into it. So here we go guys, the butter is ready. Spread it on bread and snacks and enjoy your breakfast. Now tell me, are you going to be trying this? I want you to try it and let us know your take on this in the comment section. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something good today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. Please join this family by subscribing to this channel. And to everyone, please do not go away without liking this video. Also share with your friends and family because you are going to put a smile on someone's face. Thank you once again for joining us today. May God bless you all. Hope to see you again in my next one. Bye.